everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Barclays MasterCard online. So in order to do that, open up your preferred web browser and then go to the URL box at the top and type in Barclays MasterCard login and search. You'll be able to see the search result on the next page. Click this first link where it says register or login Barclay card and it'll take you in the login page for Barclay MasterCard. Go ahead and enter your username or your ID number in the first text box. You can also log in using your 16-digit card number instead. To do so, click on this link and enter your card number. After doing so, click the next button. On the next page, type in your correct password for your account and then follow through the login process. In order to access or log into your Barclays MasterCard online, that is how you can easily get access to your MasterCard for Barclays. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.